finally getting up this morning. It's 6 o'clock here in Pueblo, Colorado. Get ourselves going for the morning. Let's see, we got the outer curtains pulled. As you can see, we got the outer curtains pulled because it was below freezing. It's still about 25 this morning. So ran the truck for a little bit last night and a little bit this morning. Used the bunk heater for the rest of the night. Alrighty. Move that over there. So now we're going to get ourselves going. We should have a nice, pretty decent run straight up, pretty much straight up into Montana. All right, getting back on the road this morning. The sun is just barely lighting the sky now. Off to our right hand side. We are heading north. We are on I-25.
In 300 feet, take the entrance to the left on I-25 north.
We're going to stop up in the Petro at Johnson's Corners on the other side of Denver here. For our first load check for the day. Remember, we stopped there the last time we went up this way. So it should not be a lot of mountains until we get up into Wyoming. That's where we're going to start getting some more hills and a little bit of mountain. But I think we're going to make Hardin, Montana by the day. It's just about 614 miles, 612 miles, something in that range. So no dilly-dally. There's not a lot of construction along the way. It's mostly on the interstate, so we're not going to have a lot of reduced speed, I think. And one little construction there is going to be, should be pretty minimal. I think it's mostly around Denver. The only thing is going to be snow, inclement weather, but I think we should be okay. So it's just 6:30 right now. Could have gotten up a bit earlier, made a little bit, earlier headway, but just I don't like rushing. I'm not being pressed to make something that's hard to do. not delivering till tomorrow anyway, so just put in a good full day today, make our way, you know, basically half the morning or most of the morning tomorrow, almost half a day of driving, and we'll get the get this steel to where it needs to go. Alrighty, pulling off here at Johnson's Corner at the old Petro here. So we're going to do our load check. Then we're going to get right back on the road. So we're just going to park it right here, check our stuff, and then roll.